It's day 36 of 60 days of studying the past. Today, we're looking at the Nazca Lines. All right, class, settle down. Settle down. Ooh, someone's eager. All right, you want the lecture. Here we go. So today, we're going to be talking about the Nazca Lines. You know, there's just so much to cover. Where do I even start? Well, let's begin with the basics. What are they? Well, the Nazca Lines are a series of over 10,000 lines, etched into the desert ground of southern Peru. These lines, some no wider than a person, stretch across the arid landscape for over 250 miles. The largest and most famous of these designs are easily visible from the sky, and what designs they are! There are hummingbirds, monkeys, lizards, spiders, flowers, geometric shapes, even what appears to be a map of the surrounding area. Who made them and why remains a mystery. What we do know is that the Nazca Lines were created between 500 and 500 BC, sometime before the Spanish arrived and began their campaign of destruction. That would explain why there's no contemporary documentation of their creation. The Nazca people left no written record behind, so we can only speculate as to their purpose. Some scholars believe that the lines were a form of communication, a way of speaking to the gods. Others think they were used as a kind of calendar, tracking the movements of the sun and the stars. Still others believe that they were created to help landing aliens find their way back home. Yes, that's right, some people really believe that. And if you're thinking, well, that sounds ridiculous, let me hasten to add that archaeologists have found no evidence of alien visitation to Earth, much less in Peru. But hey, it's a fun theory. Okay, let's keep talking about it. While the Nazca Lines are truly impressive, it's important to remember that they were created by human hands, albeit human hands that are now long gone. No doubt the people who made these lines believed that they were communicating directly with the gods, but they weren't. They were talking to each other through symbols in the sand. All right, class dismissed.